Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are reviewing the Shopify Basic Plan in 2025. Is it still worth it? What are the pros and cons? Let's find out. Shopify remains one of the most popular e-commerce platforms, and the Basic Plan is their entry-level paid option. In 2025, it still costs $39 per month. But Shopify has made some updates. With this plan, you get an online store with unlimited products, 24 to 7 days, uh, um, 24 hours or 7 days support, 2 staff accounts, basic reports, a free SSL certificate, shipping discounts, but is it the right choice for your business? Let's break down the pros and cons. First of all, let's talk about the advantage of Shopify Basic Plan. Easy to use. Shopify is known for its user-friendly interface. You don't need coding skills to set up your choice. Store. Then powerful features. Even at the basic level, you got access to essential e-commerce tools like inventory management, discount codes, and a bonded cart recovery. Multiple sales channels. You can sell on your website, social media, and even marketplaces like Amazon and eBay. Security and reliability. Shopify handles all the backend security, so you don't have to worry about hosting or SSL certificate. Great customer supports. There 24 or 7 day supports via live chat, 24-hour and 7 days support via live chat, email, and phone. Is a huge plus of beginners. Now let's go over some downsides of Shopify Basic Plans. Transaction fees. If you don't use Shopify payments, Shopify charges an extra transaction fees like 2.0 per sentence. Limited reports. You get only basic analytics. For detailed reports, you will need the Shopify or advanced plan. No advanced features. Features like custom reports, automation, and real-time shipping rates are only available in higher plans. App costs. Many important features require paid apps, which can increase costs over time. Final thoughts. So is the Shopify Basic Plan worth it in 2025? If you are just starting out and need a simple online store, then yes, it's a great choice. But if you need advanced reporting or lower transaction fees, you might want to upgrade later. What do you think? Let me know in the comments. If this review helped, Don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching.